Naija 2.7. My name is Bobby M. Sarah B.
My name is Becca Blee.
I will get the one and only controversial.
But I don't know why they always call me controversial. No, you don't get anything why I talk when they controversial.
No, you don't need to. People when they break, they put them for controversial sports. One guy say they give the injection to just the open mouth. He just get the way to set it up.
You don't say the moment of God they don't cross leg for that.
You say, I go talk family issue.
Maybe that leg, Baba. When they don't reach your show, just cross your leg. They go talk everything. They go talk everything. Cross your leg.
Say R&B fit do the same thing if he get the mind to prod. The truth is, being it only brings out your intelligence as a trained broadcaster.
To push the person to talk with you.
Exactly. If you be trained broadcaster, you go they probe. And as a trained broadcaster, before and why I say if R&B go get the mind. R&B fit do am. You know why? Yes, if fit do am. R&B fit do am. You know what? Me, what it make people always fear my question and say, before I ask you one question,
you don't knock on it.
For my head, I don't get different ways you go take answer. And the question why they ask you at first, not being be the question why I want ask you. The question why I want ask you, 9 day be the second one where you go answer, or the third one. So before I ask you that one, I don't get like 3 ways where you feel answer. So if you can't answer, most of them they fall for the one way be the first option. If for boom.
You see this thing where you talk a couple of years ago, I really I did read her some interview, fit bring truth out of people through interview. It's called the lawyer approach.
Yes.
But so many Nigerians don't understand that approach of interview because they say you did unprofessional. So you know when you did court, when you did that what did they call that box?
That in interaction box.
Interaction when lawyer they ask you notice say when they ask you question, they don't the way make you finish the first.
They don't so because that thing will make you
quick find line.
Thank you.
So to catch truth from people, must you ask them first question before you don't think
follow
that question. So you not go get try to quick formulate line. It's called the lawyer approach. But when you do that, most I say he's not professional. He doesn't know what he's doing. But guess what?
Part of the country.
Because
that time doing that people that time, I remember where R&B they asked waiting with the yellow guy name. A family member collect.
They collect. They finish me.
You see, that's the thing.
But people don't understand.
People don't understand
how that thing they really play. If I don't read the pattern like a couple of years back,
it don't get as I traveled recently for that. It will do one interview. So as a lady, they asked me a question. Now I go ask the lady one question. Bro, before the lady talk 20 sentences, I knew what her problem was.
Straight up.
As she talk, no. From the minute now, so do you think that? No, my father doesn't have. My father is useless. Oh!
So you know
that is where it's coming from.
So Becca, like now, if I ask you, Becca, what will be your name? You'll say Becca. What year they born you? Guess what? You want to shine light to me? Wait, I need to just catch you now. If I ask you, okay, maybe I ask you like, how old are you? You want maybe you want like wait, I need to ask you. Maybe you tell me like 34 or 32.
Ask the year immediately.
I'll just ask which month and which year. So because you don't feel like give me,
you go first stammer.
You go one start to the stammer. One they calculate.
Now, let me shock you. See as Becca day now. Now might give you another scope where you go take catch Becca. In case she want like the year where they born her. We say, Becca, you fine, no, you don't look you don't look your age. How old you day? How old you day? She could say, boy, like leave my age. Okay. So when your birthday, she could easily tell you your birthday. Say, wow, what's be the fondest memory of your childhood? What's be that advert when it be say if you remember? She gonna tell you what advert.
That you don't a Granger.
Thank you. You don't get range at age.
They do am here. The moment I talk about maybe one, they say, Becca, you don't old though. So
you go they range the thing, they come small. The range they come small. Before you ask them 2 or 3 questions, you don't get the answers
already.
You go say we need age range.
Yes,
exactly.
Yeah. Straight up. But most people don't go.
Most people don't know that. See me, they probe. That's why that should take talk. Yeah, you understand that. Before you talk,
you're not gonna know.
You're not gonna know when you go just. And another thing again is, I know how to make you comfortable.
Yes, yeah. Laugh, they ask the question.
You just relax.
I say even just cross your lane. That's the answer.
If you feel like saying the family meeting. We continue. So off just that will be the talk. I think time don't reach they do it. We Nigeria here go need to do our survey. They release top most dumbest people in the world, top most dumbest country in the world. On the yes.
Yes!
Because we cannot let them be doing this.
No!
We need to bring our
now then they do. But the only problem is we will not get our own statistics. We know they do. Even if we get, we not the bother how you push our heart. We feel say we need to leave everything to white people, because if you want check Dundee people for this world, even Nigeria not the top. Baba, Nigeria not the top 10 of Dundee.
You see the people when you see as developed country, if you go their own, US
is it number one? Number one Dundee people.
American people.
Now them number one. They don't know Shingbang.
Jesus Christ.
They don't know anything.
Jesus. They even go school na problem. Yeah?
You don't see that I said, so 2 plus 2.
You go say, I don't know what you're talking about.
Nah, I know what you're talking about, bro. You don't go ask me that question, bro.
You got the vessel.
Yeah, man. Bro, no joke. I see 2 plus 2. The guy not know what it be 2 plus 2.
In fact, all those videos they try those social media guys. You just see them. When you say okay, 1 minus 7. Man, what you saying, bro?
What you saying, bro? I know you're gonna ask me that question, bro. Yo, bro. The next thing you go raise class. I'm gonna put a 4
and I think why when they see here they complain say let the people immigrant go back to their country. If they come on and go suffer because who want be your daughter? Who want get those professional careers? The Chinese, the Japanese,
Indians,
the
Africans
come on your country. UK is done, America is done, any other European country is done.
You know why now foreigners, now other nationals, they more successful past. Let me say their own people they successful, they are. But you know why they more concentrated on other foreigners? Because other foreigners leave their country with hope to go succeed for that place. And other foreigners they leave their country knowing fully well say then gas work times 10 of the people there. So it's once you go there, you don't already sabi evidence say you sabi. So you go now if you they put the Excel more they go. But then they more like
the government they pay them monthly.
The government they pay them. As you know, so like if you carry belly, then go they pay you.
Yes,
you go see girl of 20-something years get 6 children.
Guess what? My friend, why they always tell you about Canada. He said they love lazy people.
Yes, sir.
He said if you're the lazy, go now, you're putting on salary.
They will put you on salary.
Oh man, not leave this in secret. But now what did he tell me after they don't know him? He don't want 2 children for them. You know what he tell them? What he tell the government? He said that 2 different men. Say no girls man.
Oh, now woman.
Yes, yes. He said if you tell they say, he said you're the first king when they on a monthly salary right now, almost everything when they collect for the 2 children now 190 $1,900 Canadian dollar. He said the first thing they say he go club. If they suffer from heartbreak, now he go club. He meet one random guy. Now the person give him a banana. He said, oh sorry, they give her house, they give her this thing. Meanwhile the husband, he said the second pikin, he still go there. He said he was so heartbroken again. He just they work out. On that boy meet her one time because the life with one life. He give her pikin, he end up. He said, oh, no problem. We'll put it on child support. Then they give her house.
So they are that dumb.
Yes. They play.
What?
Guess what? He can't make the knock. He can't put the husband as his tenant. So as I hear the husband not be. He said they love. He said he go. And the same man get the 2 pikin. He said they plan to born another one. And he go tell them say now when you go vacation, everything give her belly.
I tell you say they go push, they go do everything. You see, now we don't know what we get for here.
Like for real, like we see.
Now we don't know what the only problem we will get for Africa, for Nigeria. Now bad governance, bad leaders. We are
intelligent, we are hardworking, we are good.
Not all of us.
We are see. The average Nigerian is a very hardworking person.
No, you mentioned Africa. Now why is it not?
No, Nigeria. No. I said if you say I can't talk say average Nigeria. Leave Uganda. Leave South Africa. Leave them. When?
Okay, that's the chance where I go that time. All the
most of the men.
80%
now
of
baby
the
boys.
No, they know they walk.
They know they walk.
Yeah,
every morning like this, they are at the beach drinking beer.
Yes.
No, the women they go walk.
The women they go walk.
Nah.
They do 2 close. They resume at 9. They close at 2.
Can you imagine? You see when other friends are to tell us
say they like Nigerian men
and you go sought after men.
Why do you think so? Why do you?
Our uncle here would look down.
My brother, they don't send you. You go follow guy.
That's not the what 250K.
My brother, I don't want to.
Why does it not do like this? I want you to know what I'm going to talk about myself.
What can I do? Yeah, spill it.
So, bro.
Yeah.
I not blame anybody when they do anything. As much people are hungry.
Yeah. There's hunger in the land. Though.
Hunger dey the land.
There's hunger.
Hunger dey the land. Maybe I just come back from over the weekend. No be. I don't hear this gist before. But for say it happened,
For your president.
it shocked me. So some of my guys come to say, hey, babe, I didn't go take arrange babe. I said, you pull on your own, no. Please just let me go to my room and go and sleep. I want rest. They go say, okay, say make them arrange babe. One cause I then don't tire for babes waiting for way. Say make them either bring from Uyo or make them bring from Port Harcourt. So one of them, maybe you call him Mr. X.
Yeah.
Mr. X, and they can send them pictures. Bro, if you see pictures of these girls, people serious relationship. People serious relationship. So as the Uyo own contract na 200K per night.
Yes, now.
And they go collect because they're supposed to because Saturday na election. So they not fit come out. If na Saturday they go come out on Sunday. Then they say na 400K.
That's one night 200K.
One night 200K. Wow. Now they go say okay, make them find out from Port Harcourt home.
They don't want you. How much?
My brother. When I talk Port Harcourt home, so I say 500K.
But
I say wait to not so then they pay money. They go to the expensive like this.
But nobody knows that prostitution is the oldest trade.
That is Port Harcourt price past Lagos.
Yes, the Port Harcourt price past Lagos. The Port Harcourt girls, they serious, they hot though. No, Lagos girls expensive. I don't know how much they collect now. The last one we pay how much?
They do not know. But I get IQ. It range between.
You get IQ. I mean your friends.
Yeah? No, I get idea of setting.
But you
I know why you're mentioning.
But you see, more not like more not the same.
But that money not worth. If you check the value of that money,
it's not worth.
You get
that. See, even if you collect 1 million for man sleeping with you, it's not worth.
But then again, really, no also forget to now the man they really do the work. Why the man they pay for work when they do?
But that thing they shock me. Now you see, I go come outside the one contours guy. And you go they do guy for me. You know say they toast you why they toast you. And they beg you to spend money on you.
Yeah, now you go even when working.
When we enter room, now me you go they tell her harder. Now me go tell you now me they do.
And I mean want to pay.
Now me want to pay.
It doesn't make sense to me.
No, now why your friend move to the other side now?
No, the other side when they move to that come they more expensive now. Now see the shocking part.
Are you serious?
See the shocking part. As they send one picture, as they send one picture, one of the picture now in friend serious girlfriend.
Basic.
In friend serious girlfriend.
You not tell the friend.
Oh, you tell the friend. No, but men they talk now. Baba no, they don't talk that kind of thing.
You know why I says you know?
Men they talk that kind of thing.
May I make you understand? So there are some people in a relationship that know what they are woman.
You know why?
So you telling your friend I go.
You know why I tell her? You know why I tell her?
Why?
Because the guy already done the suspect.
Okay,
The guy already done the suspect.
Okay,
but you know why two of them? I say make two of them make them enter gutter. Because they are all both of the guy and the girl. Now you now your boy. The girl. Now una fit una self now and. After he come tell the girl, the beg, apparently the girl like the guy die. The guy, Baba, the story, you just get
the way
it's scattered.
Wow.
But you see what I want to talk earlier.
Most of them get serious relationship.
Not be say most of them, almost all. Baba, they get relationship.
Now, what you tell to take care of their boys?
Yes.
I tell you how many girls for Lagos to take care of boys for Lagos.
Yes, sure. Baba, plenty you see, so you see some boys where they see, but see, more not deceive ourselves.
When you say that they
You see for this Lagos, you see some boys where they drive car, where they pump it. Now girls
they take care of them. Now they deceive.
Now girls will take care of them. Girls get money pass for Lagos now.
Even to study they talk earlier on say my friend we do want do small video organic. So when he say they shop say married women.
Now you can't do.
Now you can't do.
If they get the people, the husband they call and say I will soon finish it. What let me look? They look me out. He say I come here, or will you come and pick me? Say okay. Yeah, so all those busy where they do blah blah blah, they are married, they are into it. Now work, they you can work. Now money, and guess what? That one work then 100K just to do blah 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 for a couple of minutes, 100K. So if I say we call the wrong gender, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
He's not thinking much.
Should we Bobrisky? Should we Bobrisky with?
Baba.
My brother, because I don't understand what you do. Not to say
like, oh my God. You want it? Baba, the hardship of Nigeria will make man the question is,
I swear.
Are you sure I'm not really into men?
Are you sure I don't have what it takes to be like Becca Blaze?
I see, you know what? I have what it takes.
I don't understand.
Are you?
He don't show him already. He can't sleep for a room one day. Now Sarah will sleep like this. I saw. I know why they sleep like this.
If you see what these men they spend on women, so the woman go hungry.
You go agree. That one not they blame anybody.
I know they blame anybody. I know they blame. Is there anybody where they hustle, they collect money? I don't blame anybody. Also, country hard.